Hello, how are you guys? Just a very small update. I was just driving somewhere. I actually just driving back home, and so it's like as we had expected, it has been like very busy for me. You know, like on weekends especially, with just shopping and getting everything prepared. The house is always full with like guests and everyone coming in and out. It feels like a wedding home now. So I love that vibe. But just one thing that I was thinking about is that another difference that I see between here and living in the UK, and I don't know why I'm still comparing both these places. It's just something that I'm doing subconsciously. It's just that you see people over here that even though people over here can, like the middle class, can afford house help, they can afford getting things done on their behalf, yet for some reason they seem more engrossed in their everyday lives, like doing their chores, getting things done, and are not able to enjoy their life as much as I've seen people in the UK. Even though they have to do all their house chores by themselves, they still make time for themselves and still make time to live their life, like going out, going for outings, even on say weekdays, or spending time with their loved ones, which I find really missing over here. And obviously this is like my own personal perspective from what I've seen in my family, in people I know, in my observation of families around me. It might not be true for everyone, but like it's at least true for the people I know of, or the families that I see around me. And yeah, it's a bit quiet now, thankfully, because I know I speak very softly, but yeah, that's just something that I was seeing, and I don't know why again why that is, that even though we have more facilities and more luxuries over here, yet you seem to enjoy your life a lot more over there. People seem to enjoy their life or be able to make time for themselves a lot more over there compared to over here. But yeah, that's it. A small little update, small little rant again. Sorry, small little update, small little rant again. And we'll catch up again. Not much to update really, and not much to show as well. By the way, this is India. Welcome to India. Very weird thought. But what would happen if you pit, say, someone from this, like that uncle over there, against someone in the UK, and make them swap their lives? How well would each of them fare? And they're living these lives like coincidentally at the same time together in just different parts of the world. Just how diverse our world is. Just a random thought.